Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have started the week on a bullish note and now trading at 34,350 and 11,550 levels. So what to expect today throughout the day? Before I come up with my next analysis before the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the next analysis. Let's start. First we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels and trade as per the levels. And yes, do watch till the end and stick to the levels. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Now look at the hourly charts for US 100. Now see US 100 behavior. Higher lows are getting seen. See rise, retracement. Support here at 11,520. Rise, retracement. It can again come back to 540. At the same time, remember the narrowings. The highs are not that high. Remember that fact. So I'll wait for it to break out beyond 11,580. If you see NASDAQ 100 trading above 11,580, certainly you can stay long for 11,660 levels, and then beyond that 11,720, 840, 12,000 levels will be seen there. So you can stay long above 11,580 for the day and expect it to rise more. At the same time, only bearish confirmation today is below 11,500 and rather I will say 11,480. So in between these 100 points, that is 11,480 to 580, do not trade NASDAQ 100. In fact, below 480, 11,450 is the maximum support, and if and only if it draws below this, you can confirm that this is bearish. Directional movement here is extremely bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI looking down. On the hourly charts, a retracement possibly is seen. On the 2-hour charts too, see the base here at 11,520, then 11,500, 480, 450. Till 450, it has got very good support. Below 450, the next stop is directly at 11,400 levels. And below 11,400, it is 11,350. So see, 350, 400, 450. This zone is going to get important as it has given a breakout beyond 11,500. Certainly, we can expect it to trade bullish and do not break 11,350 at least. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD has taken a cross. This is a bullish cross. You can see two green candles there. RSI trading near to the highs. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see it is trading above the 20 period moving average. It is trading bullish. The highs for this channel are now situated at around 11,660 levels, which is definitely very good resistance. Also, if you look at the charts here, see, rise, this is a breakout candle which we saw earlier last week, and now see a breakout candle means it needs to sustain the level. So couple of retracement, now again a bullish candle. Once it trades beyond 11,580, certainly we can look forward to 11,660 levels throughout the day. And only sell entry I will recommend is possibly below 11,520 itself, below which you can expect 500, 480. So those who want to gain a little from 11,520 levels, you can buy but then sell, but then expect it to get the support from 11,500 and 480 levels, and then below that 11,450, 460 zone. So take your trades accordingly. Now look at the directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is still bullish. It is looking forward to cross again. RSI trading near to the highs there. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, remember taking the base at 520, it is still trading bullish. We should wait for the next candle. The next candle will decide the course of the direction, possibly trading above 11,580. We can see more bullishness. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI looking up. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, now see this. Previous two candles were almost having the same high. This time it has given a breakout. This is indicated that it is trying to trade bullish. So possibly once it drops below 11,520, you can sell, but then expect 500, 480 and then 450 levels as the maximum support, and below that 350, 300 levels will be seen. So take a sell at 11,520, but then till 11,450, remember it can reverse any point of time, and hence you should trade with extreme caution till those levels. Below that only little more bearishness will be seen. On the upside, beyond 11,580, you can buy for 11,660, 710 and then 840 levels in this week itself. So possibly once it trades beyond 11,580, a good buy entry can be taken, and you should hold it for a little while. But then remember 11,660 is a very good resistance, and beyond that it is going to remain bullish for the throughout the week. So wait for 11,660 to be breached for the week, and then you can stay long for 11,800, 12,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss for the day. Do not trade between 11,520 and 580 levels. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch starting 19th of this is the 19th batch starting first week of February. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for US 30. See, it has formed a crater here on the hourly charts and now again resume the breakout rally. Now the highs of this channel, if it breaks past this zone at 34,380, you can expect 34,500 levels to be seen, which is definitely a very good resistance. Remember, 34,500, 600 is a very good resistance. Right now it is trying to retrace a bit. On the downside, the support there at 34,300 and 280 is very strong. I will recommend you to sell at 34,280 for 34,250, 200, and only if it breaks below 34,200, consider this as bearish. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD bullish trying to converge, RSI trading near to the highs. If you look at the 2-hour charts, similar is the story on the 2-hour charts, but remember the support here is going to come at 34,280 levels, below which you can expect a little drop for 34,250, 200. Remember, 200 is a very good support levels for Dow Jones. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, trading with little divergence, RSI trading near to the highs. Now look at the 3-hour charts. So in fact, you can buy at 34,380, then expect 34,450 and 500 and then 600 levels, and sell at 34,280 levels. So in between 34,380 and 280, do not trade. See, directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought on the 3-hour charts. MACD is also extremely overbought. RSI near to the highs there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, see, on the 4-hour chart suit, the candle is trading with a flat bottom and it is trying to see a rise. See, the support there at 250 is very good here, and only below which you can expect, only below 34,200 you can expect the bearishness. Directional movement bullish again, stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish. See, MACD is extremely bullish here, and hence it must try to trade a little, bearish. But let's observe more. RSI is overbought, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, now see, on the daily charts, first observation here is that you need to that 32,800 and 33,500, this is a base which has been created. So 33,500 is a very strong base for US 30, and I told you previously also that beyond 33,500 the next stop for US 30 is 34,500 levels. Now it has come very close to it. That is the first part to it. Also look at this, after this breakout it is just trying to play to here, so possibly it can consolidate a bit at this zone and then give a breakout later. That is first part. Second is, now look at the previous two highs. So there is a resistance at 34,600, 650 and then 35,000 levels, and possibly it can try to achieve at least these two before it looks forward to a further breakout till towards 35,500 and 36,000 levels. So on the daily charts, what it is trying to do and what it is trying to achieve, it is trying to trade in this channel. The highs of this channel is situated at around 35,800, in fact 36,000 levels. So yes, these levels are achievable once it trades. First is it has to trade above 35,000 levels, and then possibly it can definitely look forward to 35,500 and 600 levels. This is the first part. Right now it is trying to retrace a bit before it looks forward to any rally. And for the day, in between 34,380 and 280, do not take any trade. On the downside, 34,200 be a very good support. Below that, you can expect it to retrace till towards 34,100, 34,000 levels, and below that a further drop might take it till towards 33,800, 33,500 levels. But still, do not consider this as bearish till 33,500 levels. Possibility of a little retracement is seen, however, is a retracement, not a reversal, and hence a bounce back later can be there. and stay long till the time it trades above 33,500. We are going to look at 36,000 levels. Right now it is looking forward to upside. Beyond 34,380, you can stay long for 34,450, 500, and then 650. If 34,650 is taken, then stay long for 35,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.